नॉर्मली कॉन्डम से रिलेशन दो तीन चीज़ों का बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो सेफ सेक्स के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं, पॉपुलेशन के बारे में लोग बात करते हैं, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, तुम्हारे हिसाब से सेफ सेक्स कॉन्डम से क्या रिलेशन है इन योर माइंड?
Safe sex or condoms, they actually should just be married.
सनी, एक तरफ आपके परफ्यूम एंड डीओ भी हैं, दूसरी तरफ कैलेंडर एंड प्रोडक्ट आते हैं। आने वाली फिल्मों के बारे में अगर आप जिक्र करें कि कौन कौन सी फिल्में लाइनअप हैं इन अपकमिंग डेज?
Sure, actually मैं एक नया मूवी शुरू कर रही हूँ, वो अगस्त में है, उसका नाम है तेरा इंतज़ार, and it's with Arbaz Khan. Sorry, just went blank for a second. And मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I have a kitty full of movies, and for that I'm very very thankful. क्योंकि अगर मैं साल में जितना काम कर रही हूँ, and I can continue that work, it would be amazing. So I'm very happy with that.
Yeah, my question is to you is that we all know that India is suffering from a population explosion problem. I want to ask you that how condoms are important to develop our country?
I don't think India का कोई problem है. It's one of the largest emerging countries in the entire world, and it's one place where I do believe dreams at this very moment. अगर आपका कुछ passion है, आपको कुछ life में करना है, आप India में कर सकते हो, and you can be successful. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory how condoms can help anybody's life.
Yeah, there are many people from rural side and they follow you but don't know your language. So how would you approach to them?
एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है यार, ये पूछो। ओके, अभी भी सनी, लोगों का ये कहना, हिंदी में जवाब देना, लोगों का ये मानना है कि अभी भी जब कॉन्डम लेने जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं काली थैली में देना यार, जरा छिपा के देना। वाई, क्यों ऐसा, जबकि आप तो प्रमोट करती हैं और हिंदुस्तान और सारी दुनिया प्रमोट करती है कॉन्डम को?
Actually, अमेरिका में ऐसा भी होता है. It's not just India. I think when it comes to having intimate moments with somebody else, वो private moment होता है. So अगर वो एक black थाली में condoms चाहिए, then ठीक है, it's fine. मेरा सिर्फ ये है that they should buy the protection. जैसे भी buy करते हो, जैसे भी आप खरीदते हो, then that's up to you. If it's a private thing for you, great. If it's not and you're willing, you don't mind who's standing right next to you, or कोई आपको ऐसा देख रहा है कि oh wow, you're buying a condom. It's your choice, but I think the key element here is that people need to buy them. You know, whether they put it in a black bag or not, that's, you know, their own personal preference.
Just now, you know that sex education is quite compulsory. At what age did you understand the meaning of sex?
Well, in the school that I was attending, we learned about this in high school, which was grade 8 to grade 12. It started in 8th, 9th grade. So it was mandatory in school that we learn about certain things and the effect of what will happen if you have unprotected sex, or if you have an unwanted pregnancy, or what can happen if you do have unprotected sex. So that was the base of our learning.
India is still suffering from HIV/AIDS. And do you think that man-force should go to places like brothel areas where they really need education on buying condoms? What do you have a take on that? They should
I mean,
give
this
away free
is an
condoms.
epidemic that is all over the world. It's not something that is just here. How Manforce decides to promote their product in what cities and what areas, that's really up to them. As far as we're concerned, almost everybody has a phone and everybody watches television. So that's, you know, where most people do see it anyways, rather, you know, than flyers. They see it more online.
Hello.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, my question to Prachar team and Sunny also. Prachar team, are you there? Prachar. Yeah. I just want to know, Sunny Leone को लेने के बाद आपकी सेल कितनी बढ़ी?
यार ये तो इमोशनल कर दिया तूने तो यार। भाई अकाउंटेंट को फोन करो यार।
आप बिजनेस सीक्रेट पूछ रहे हैं, फिर भी मैं बताता हूँ, बहुत अच्छी हमारी सेल्स ग्रोथ हुई है और हर साल ग्रोथ हो रही है, और जिस हिसाब से हम चल रहे हैं, we will be one of the world's largest condom we can be.
क्या
And where you stand in India? As what number?
number, we are number one. And second is far behind us.